channel. Today, let's discuss about Kerala, the God's own country, through the camera eyes. Kerala is special for its abundant natural beauty, such as its serene backwaters, lush hill stations, and stunning beaches, earning its the nickname God's own country. It also boasts a rich cultural heritage with unique art forms like Kathakali, traditional Ayurvedic therapies, vibrant festivals, and the practice of houseboat cruises on its famous backwaters. Places like Munnar offer cool climates, misty hills, and sprawling tea and spices plantations. The region is home to various wildlife sanctuaries. Kerala, nestled in the lush southwest of India, is renowned not only for its breathtaking landscapes but also for its remarkable plant diversity. The state's varied terrain, abundant rainfall, and warm climate have fostered an incredible array of plants, earning it the well-deserved title of Botanical Paradise. Kerala is famous for traditional dances like Kathakali and Mohiniyattam and the martial arts of Kalaripayattu. The state is a global center for Ayurvedic treatments and wellness practices, attracting visitors seeking therapeutic experiences. Vibrant festivals like Onam and Theyyam showcase Kerala's rich cultural traditions. Kerala's humid tropical monsoon climate is characterized by heavy rainfall from the southwest monsoon and moderate temperature, supporting the diverse vegetation including rainforest and spice gardens. Kerala has a reputation for progressive social reform and harmonious coexistence. Kerala is a natural heaven in India, or this is Kerala where art, tradition, and nature coexist harmoniously. Kerala is superbly seen from a saddle or with a paddle. No hour of life is wasted that is spent in Kerala. Every corner